everyone in True Love Encounters. Here is my intro video. Hi David, you have anything to say to the public? No? Put the video back on. So guys, I was playing a YouTube video. He likes this channel and these songs, and apparently he wants them back. But anyway, I just wanted to say hi and get ready for what you're about to see. It's going to be an awesome night in evangelism. And yeah, those are my doggies. Esmeralda. Hi, my whitey. Where's my other dog? All right, she'll appear at some point. You guys will see her. Anyway, so stay tuned. So guys, we're doing drive-through prayer with Uncle Ed, Martha, and Michaela. And I'm getting their backs. And we also have a newcomers, and we have Angel. So it's gonna be awesome, guys. It's raining, but hopefully we'll get awesome encounters. Hey, True Love Encounters family. So we're out here. We're about to call it a night for tonight. I know we're doing drive-through prayer. We haven't gotten anyone to stop, but you know what? I think it's a seed that they see us out here, even in the rain. Well, it's not raining right now, but it's been raining, hence the coat. Anyway, so I just think it's a seed that people see that we're like the children of God having fun and just wanting to bless people with prayer. So I'm gonna ask the people around what they think about this. So Martha, what do you think about like tonight, even though no one has stopped? What do you think about it?
Well, I'm really disappointed that they didn't, but we did have people. Right there.
Yeah.
So they are for this. They are for prayer. And somebody, yeah.
All right.
So that's
Cool.
good.
Awesome.
And, the fact that we're standing out here in the rain, it was raining, it was pouring actually for a little bit, and then it was sprinkling. You know, it's just that will make an impression for them to realize that prayer is very, very important.
Thank you, Martha. Hey, sign guy, how are you?
Hey, what's going on?
Nothing much. I'm just gonna ask a question real quick. Would you keep attention to the cars though?
Okay.
Even though no one has stopped tonight, what do you think about us like standing out here even if it's raining?
You know, at the end of the day, if it's pouring, if it's dry, we do what we can for the Lord. You know,
Right.
obedience surpasses all of it. You know, God is good. And you know, the unity, man.
Yeah.
Compassion, you know, it's amazing. It's amazing how God can work through people, you know. It's a family.
Yeah.
You know, it's all love. We're out here to support.
You and Austin should team up holding that sign, man. You both have the anointing.
I'm just trying to do what I can for the Lord, man. That's it.
Oh, he's a
We out
faithful
here. I
servant.
got Big Ed with me. He challenged me earlier, you know.
Of course.
He said I was scared of the rain, but look at me now.
There you
You know?
go.
You know, the only thing that could bring me out here, if it wasn't for Big Ed, was a plate of food. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Thank you, dude. So guys, this is Michaela.
Hey guys,
Yeah, she's
God
Angel's
bless you.
girlfriend. All right, so what do you think about tonight?
Tonight's been good. I mean, it's been raining, so I guess you could say we're out here rain or shine, and you know, no one has stopped yet, but it's amazing because we're planting a seed. Like people are driving by and you know still waving and honking their horns, and we're still praying for people as they drive by.
You
know,
made a new
blessing
friend,
people.
right?
I did, yeah. She was actually Jocelyn.
Aww.
She actually saw one of the videos that the Supernatural Life had posted, and she came over here to hold a sign with me, and she didn't even realize who I was. But then she found out who I was, and she was like, you know, awestruck because it you know, whatever happened to me touched her heart. So God touched my heart and her heart at the same time. So while I was receiving the Holy Spirit was working in her. So it's amazing. So even though, you know, maybe people aren't coming in to pray, there was a reason why she showed up and I showed up tonight.
Kingdom
So
connections, man.
God is good.
Thank you, Michaela.
You're welcome.
So Ed, no one has stopped for drive-through prayer, but what do you think? The rain, should it affect us going out or not?
Nobody needs to stop. Just by holding the sign, we made a difference. People were affected. They beeped the horn. We got like 100 Horn beeps. What else can we ask for? You know?
Yeah.
People are still being touched even though they're not stopping.
Yep,
That's all that matters. And you came out, and you're still here.
You're seeing
Waiting for that one.
Yep.
No, he leaves the 99 for that one.
Yep.
So we're gonna stay here until we get that one.
And that umbrella is a sort of the spirit. He's just like.
Yeah, I'm just slaying all that negativity that you guys brought with y'all.